Jo, tjena. Jag kunde inte låta bli att göra en till Greta Gris-video. Okej.
Cristiano Ronaldo!
This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Suey!
Det är så creepy alltså.
Speed.
Yo, Chad, why this game so fun, Chad? What's up, Ben? I have a question for you, alright? Stop laughing, alright? Are you serious right now, bro? I just want to be friends. That's all I want to be. I want to be friends.
Yes.
Okay, we friends now?
No.
Bro.
Hello, Susie. Hello. Hello, Zoe. Hello, everyone.
Ben! No! Is this you?
No.
No.
Let's talk about music.
What music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
Shake, 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 now bounce, 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 bounce. Let me ask you a question, all right? Who's better, Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi.
Okej, alla bra.
Speed and George are going to play
Suey!
Och likea om jag så fortsätter jag se Greta
Cristiano
Gris-video.
Ronaldo! Suey! Ah, my head!
Here is Speed's best friend.
Hello.
Speed.
Hello, Susie. Hello. Let's play football.
Portugal versus Argentina! Ronaldo versus Messi!
Wheel start.
Shut up! Shut up!
Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi, gol, 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 gol.
Argentina has scored a goal.
No, bro!
The boys are winning.
It is half time.
Oh, my dress is a bit muddy.
What the hell?
Mummy Pig and George have found more things to wash.
Suey!
Very good, George. We put the clothes in here.
The washing machine is making the whole room shake.
Oh, where's your
Cristiano Ronaldo!
dress?
I'm washing it.
What? Oh, no.
Let's go!
Look, Mummy.
A signed Ronaldo shirt!
Yes, but look what it's done to everything else.
Oh dear. Daddy Pig is home from work.
Hello, everyone.
Yo, big ass daddy, man.
Daddy Pig, we've got a bit of a problem.
Tell me later, Mummy Pig. I've got to get ready for...
Football!
Now, where's my football shirt?
Here.
Don't be silly. That's one of Mummy's dresses.
No, Daddy, it's your football shirt.
What do you think, George?
George does not like Messi. Here are Daddy Pig's friends.
Moo!
Yo, big ass daddy!
Coming out to play.
He'll just be a moment.
I need a
Ronaldo!
shirt.
But, Daddy, you have a
Ronaldo!
shirt.
The fuck?
Just take off your jacket.
Man's not hot, never hot.
See?
Fantastic.
Portugal, stand up! Stand up, Portugal!
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Big ass daddy!
Like your shirt.
Suey!
Thank you. Come on.
Let's play football. World Cup!
Portugal has been given a penalty.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Allah Akbar. Sui. Bismillah.
Shut up! Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's a moment of World Cup history. Portugal in front.
Sui! Messi ain't number one, ain't number two. Ronaldo number one. Gotta hear this shit every damn day.
Burn. Burn.
No!
Burn. 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 Burn.
Ito pelikula para video no. Ay, sa pelikula para video, huwag niyo like, oh.